Hey guys, today we're playing Speedrun 4 once again. So I'm sorry I haven't uploaded anything in a few days. I'm so sorry. But I'll start uploading again, I promise. If I can remember to keep it. Oh my god. Oh, there, hey Alex. I just walked right past her because she stopped. Well, I didn't walk right past her, I ran right past her because she stopped. Ah! She scared me! Oh my god, we're gonna make it together. You scared me. Oh my god. Oh no! I wish you could see my face right now, but I don't have my face cam plugged in. Unfortunately. I got so scared when she showed up. I was like, ah! Literally, she scared the crap out of me. Yeah, you would think you would never hear me say crap. I do say crap a lot. I think I've said it on the channel before. I think I have. I don't say HELO because obviously it's a bad word. Val says it though, as you saw on his channel. Val says it though. I don't. I do say it off camera, but I don't say it on my channel to keep my channel family friendly. But if I do happen to say crap, just expect me to say it. Because you guys now know that I do say crap a lot. Ah! Crap! I think Sam Puckett once said crap in iCarly. Oh my god, they just sucked me in the floor. Ah! Oh my. I had to die. I did that on purpose. Okay, there's 30 levels. I cannot beat that all in one try. So, some of this I will do off camera. Not recording. I will pause it and do it, and just in case, so I can complete all levels and give the recorder some time, because it stops at 15 minutes. Yeah. So unfortunately, like usual, Val isn't with me. Unfortunately, Val does happen to has gotten me into a new obsession, but I'm not gonna tell what it is. Obviously, you have to guess. He loves it. He's a huge fan of it. You guys have to guess it, and then you can come back to me. It's not in my favorite, so if you go check my favorite games, you wouldn't find it. Oh god. Oh god. No. No. Huh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa! No. Oh! No. Wait, she's here? I didn't notice her. Well, I didn't see her. I just saw her like with the red hair. It looked like she had red hair. Hut! Hut! Okay. Hate the skinny ones. Oh god. Yes, yes, yeah! Baby, let's go! Oh my gosh, this is so bright. If this one reason I don't have a face cam on right now, because my face would turn completely white if you had my face cam on right now. Yeah. Luckily my face cam isn't on. I don't normally use it now. I said I only wanted to use it for reaction videos. I could start doing that. I could start using it for some gaming videos again, but I don't know. Usually people do face cam only for reaction videos instead. So, anyways. No! Oh my gosh, I love this one though. It's so cute. There's all the penguins and stuff. Yeah, haven't been uploading because I did go to the beach last Saturday. which was the best time of my life. I loved that part. I loved that day. I did get salt water in my mouth, though. Unfortunately, that was disgusting. It tasted so gross. Oh, a rainbow one. I know this one. Just hold space bar. Yeah, see, it's like a pattern. I'm not gonna focus on the pretty colors! Sorry if I'm like screaming into the mic. No! I'm sorry guys if I'm like screaming into the mic. Just hold space bar. Keep on holding it. If you want to get past this one. It's pretty easy to get past this part right here and the next part too. No! I can't get past that part. Okay. Who's that in front of me? I don't care who's in front of me. I just gotta win. I can't focus on the normal colors, and I'm very clumsy. Yeah, if I was getting something for you, I would actually drop it. I would, guys. Just if you guys met me in real life, if I was like getting something for you, I would probably accidentally drop it on how clumsy I am. Okay, don't fall off now. Ah! I'm so sorry if I'm annoying you guys by screaming into the mic. Oh god. Okay. Get past level 7. I'm not skipping level because I don't have enough Robux. Okay. Oh gosh! Why can't I get past that part? So annoying. Unfortunately, yeah, you guys do realize that my face cam is not plugged in. And I hardly ever use my face cam, so I should start using it again. But people can access your computer's camera. That's the reason I unplugged it. No! But the reason I did unplug it is because people can access your camera and you can't, and they could stalk you, so I unplugged it. For that reason, I don't like using my face cam anymore. For personal reasons, because people can be watching through it. Oh my god, why can't I get past that part? I'm getting so frustrated. Okay. I could play Slitherio, if you guys want me to play that. Leave a comment down below if you guys want me to play Slitherio. I could play that for you guys. But yeah, no face cam, of course. I don't like to use face cam for personal reasons. Luckily now that I have freckles, I don't really like to show them, so if you want to see my face more often, you can go to my Instagram or my Snapchat, which I'm not going to tell what my name is, because then all of you guys are going to add me. I just fell straight into the slime. Oh my gosh. Do they even know I'm recording? Oh my god. Oh, no! Okay. Ah! What are you doing? Oh my god. I just flipped up. No! Oh, no! By the way, my oldest account was is a very weird name. I don't really want to say it, but it was a very weird name. Starting with it as personal, because my father named it, and my father named the account, and that's not what I wanted it to be named, so. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, my sister used to play Roblox, but she deleted it. She doesn't like it anymore. I'm guessing she doesn't interest it anymore. But don't worry, me and Brayden like to play off camera now since I play with my best friend now. Star! Yes. Ooh. You have to collect a star. I don't know what they do, but you have to collect a star from every level. I don't know what they do to you, but you have to collect them around. Ah, I'm stuttering. Oh my gosh, I died. Who's this? How did he get past it? Did he skip it? I'm 11, you guys. You can't do that. And I'm not lying about my age. I actually am 11 because I was born in 2010. And my birthday, as you know, because I did post a birthday video on my channel. I had a birthday badge on, but unfortunately you guys couldn't see it because I didn't have my face cam yet. But I was wearing the exact same clothes the day after, but I just didn't have the birthday badge on. So you guys did in fact get to see the clothes I was wearing on my birthday. Hut City! I'm in the city. No, really, I'm in the city. I'm not gonna tell my town. I'm not gonna tell my town, but I am gonna tell my state. I live in New York, guys. So, unfortunately, if you guys live in my town, then you guys are lucky because you guys will probably see me somewhere. If you guys ever see me somewhere, because you do know what I look like, you do know what my face looks like, but I will look very different because I have freckles now. That's the main reason. I'm very embarrassed about my very visible freckles. I have them on my shoulders. Oh my god. I just actually saved myself. Yes! I made it. Woo! Oh my gosh. Ooh, a beach one. Oh my god, it's so bright. Okay. I used to play on mobile, but now I play on PC. It's much more easier to play on PC than mobile. It's much more easier to play now that I know how to control it and stuff. I started very, very differently. I was very bad at playing PC. But I've been playing on PC for since February. And I've learned how to know how to control it. Okay. Yup. Oh! I died! Also, if you guys didn't notice, I do have a path on. You probably did notice it since it was like on me for like most of the video. Yup! Yeet! Oh my gosh, I'm eating myself. Okay. Yeah! It's a yacht. Okay. Okay, I almost lost you guys. I almost lost 100 subscribers. Do you guys realize that? I almost lost 100 subscribers because I got logged out of my account. Thank the gods I'm still on here. Thank the gods I'm still here with you. Oh my god. How did she get here? How did she get here? Oh my god, do you guys realize how annoying she is to me? Oh! I am sorry. I am so sorry for the loudness. I'm screaming into the mic. Well, anyways, my recorder is about to end, so I'm guessing this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!